it really loud.
Fireworks!
All right, what's in egg number 1? Let's watch and see. What is it?
Monkey.
A monkey.
Oh, ah.
Good job. All right, let's do another one. Say number 2.
Number 2. It's an elephant.
Yay, show it to the camera. All right. Okay, should we do another one?
Hip. Hippo. Do number 4. Do number 4. Do number 4. I'll do number 4. I'll do number 4. What's inside? What's in there? Cheetah.
What's the cheetah's name?
Fully. First, 5. Rhinoceros. What's inside this plastic? What's inside this plastic? What's inside this plastic? What's inside this one? Inside this one. What's inside this one? What's inside this one? What's inside? Let's find out. This little head. That looks kind of scary. There's a zebra! Look.
All right, man, look. And we have 2 surprise flowers. Can you show them the flower?
What's inside the flower? It's a coin.
Can you show it to the camera? All right, and look, we have 1 more surprise flower.
What's inside? Oh, it's another coin.
Is that a gold coin?
Yeah.
All right. Say see you next time.
See you next time.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.